What's up, guys? So welcome to another recording with your favorite realtor agent. So today we are here with Steven right there, and we are going to do a valuation on a property. So this property is not being sold by me. We're just tagging along today to check out some properties in and around the area because you guys have been requesting more videos. I've been slacking off a little bit, so let's go. So Mr. Air, where are we today?
We're at Palace Japan
In
Mandeville.
Yeah. And we're looking at a unit to conduct a valuation on.
Yep.
All right.
Marvelous.
Let's go.
Outside.
So Mr. Air, what's the first thing we do when you're doing a valuation? What is that you look for?
First thing you want to do is take notes of the site, so we call a site description. You take general site information, looking at the boundaries, topography, the grade, if it's free drainage of surface waters and all of those type of things. All of those nice things,
And all of those contribute to the value of the property.
Yeah, they do. Definitely, most definitely.
Awesome. So Mr. Air, I see you doing some measurements. What is the significance of you measuring?
We measure so that we can calculate the area. It's like size is very important in valuations.
Why is that? What does the size, you getting the size, what do you compare it to other size or what? How does it work?
Well, it assists in calculating the market value of the property,
Based on size of the property?
Yeah, so if you want to calculate by the cost method, the price per square foot have a thing to do with the value,
Okay.
In order to find the calculations by price per square foot, you need the square foot.
So Mr. Air,
Yes, sir.
where are we now?
We're in
Mandeville. So question,
Yeah.
what differentiate between the property values in Mandeville versus like Kingston or St. Catherine?
Well,
why Kingston seems to be so ridiculously high?
Well, it has to do with demand and supply, People want to be in Kingston. More people, or majority of the people, they want to be in Kingston in comparison to St. Catherine and let's say places in St. Catherine like Olab or Linstead and those places. So we have higher property values in Kingston in comparison to those areas.
Because people want to be in Kingston?
Yeah, demand and supply.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 5, 9 and 10 each.
So what advice do you have for like young people who want to buy a property but they can't necessarily afford what they want right now?
Well, my advice to you is just continue saving. Try to work on a deposit right now because when you go to NSC, you're going to need to have 10% deposit. So try focusing on a deposit at the moment and continue searching, you know, because you don't want you to get something and then in the future you're not happy with the area. So continue searching, you know, gather your thoughts, all those things before you actually venture into this huge investment.
So, Mr. Air,
Yes, sir.
what contributes to the costs of your work to conduct a valuation?
Okay, so most valuers charge based on the market value of the property. They'll usually charge a percentage of the value. You know, standard um, charges ranges between 2,000 to 3,000 per million. You know, that's it. And then some of them factor in the traveling. Yeah, so based on how far the property is, they normally charge for that as well.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You know what is?
What is it?
Cholan. Marvelous. Right, Peter. Sure.
So, separate and apart from measurement and location, what about the fixtures inside? Does that contribute to property value?
Fixtures and finishes, yes, it does. You know. Let's say, for instance, we're looking at a property that has normal ceramic tiles in comparison to one that have marble tiles and all these extravagant and extraordinary finishes. It's going to affect the value.
Can we look on the inside of what this property consists of and for you to explain?
Sure, let's go.
What kind of tiles are these?
So in here we have ceramic tiles, it's not marble, it's ceramic tiles, and they look quite new. We have the regular wall and floor mounted hardwood cupboards here, along with laminated countertop and a single aluminum sink. So this property or the fixtures in here aren't, let's say, like a property that you will find some marble tiles and some other amazing or extraordinary finishes. They're just quite normal, but they won't significantly affect the value to that, But it's good, it's still good. So right now we're actually in bedroom number 2, As you can see, it's very spacious. It consists of a bathroom ensuite along with a closet. A closet door, bifolded closet door, painted, nicely done too. So in the bathroom, as you can see, it's completely tiled. Like the only place in here that's not tiled is the ceiling. You have the tub right here, ceramic, face basin. I like this image. Let's go into the living/dining area. Open concept, as you can see. You have the kitchen, living/dining area, and right here you have a storage section. Storage section that you can store anything that you want to put in here. So nice little space. Bedroom. Oh, this is actually the master bedroom. Wow. In this master bedroom, you have a closet. And you also have a bathroom